Hello everyone, I am Beaver. I am a unicorn in the metal sawing industry. This is my baby. His name is FT10. He has been working in a textile equipment factory for more than 5 years. His owner likes him very much because he can replace 5 people. He is very obedient. As long as the code is set in his CNC system, he will work non-stop. Because of this, he saves a lot of money for his owner, saving more than $100,000 in labor costs a year. His functions are very similar to his brother FT15. They all have their own skills and they all play their irreplaceable roles in different fields. I am Beaver. I am a unicorn in the metal sawing industry. I have many babies and they all have special skills. Who will my next baby be? Where will he travel and adventure? What kind of personality is he? What can he do? And in which country will he work? I will tell you as soon as possible.